Welcome to another vlog. I am in the middle of cleaning and organizing my basement. Last week I left off in this spare room right here. I'll show you where I'm at now, what I got done. So it's much cleaner than it was, way more organized. I'm going to work my way out of there to there. Next room is this room. I'm going to start this chair today too, along with the small table I started and the blanket box I started. I'll motivate myself to do some projects. I'm just going to work my way this way and get this basement cleaned. So it's been a few days. I haven't made any further cleaning in the basement, but I have made it further on this blanket box. But I'm confused at what color to paint it. It needs to be painted. None of it is real wood, so it needs to be covered up. It's just plastic with wood grain design on it. I'm thinking about doing a base coat in this, a top coat in white, and then just distressing it a bit and making it kind of Christmassy, festive, I guess. That's the only ideas I have. And today's the day this video's got to be posted, so I've got to get it finished, so I've got to make a decision. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put some red on it, paint the whole thing red, probably take a few coats, and then do some white, and then sand it to distress it a bit. Some of that red will show through the white. Should look nice. First coat of paint is on. It is 8:30 in the morning, so I gotta let that dry. Get a second coat on, let that dry, then get a coat of white on and see what it looks like there. I might have to do 2 coats of white. Let those dry, sand it to distress it, and then see if it's ready for a spray coat finish. And then I gotta stain the legs, and then I gotta get the footage off my camera, edit it, and post it all today. Should be possible. We'll see. So I wasn't able to get that video done yesterday. So now I've got some time today. I'm going to get this finished and the video posted. A day late is fine with me. But it's looking good so far. We got to sand it up to distress it, stain the legs, and spray seal it. Okay, it is a new day. It's a few days away from Christmas. And I've managed to not make it any further in the basement, but also to make a bigger mess. Yeah, lots of Amazon boxes from presents, and the mess I made from making that blanket box. So I've got to get this area cleaned up and start a new project. I don't have a project in mind specifically. Possibly start some furniture, I don't know. I just want to get this area cleaned up and organized and useful, because it's not comfortable down here at all. So as I'm organizing down here, it became apparent that we may have to recalibrate a bit, adjust to what we do here, at least until we can figure out what to do with all our art stuff, because we just collect too much of it. The coasters sell, so we can continue doing those. The vases have sold a little bit, so we might be able to continue moving those through our booth at the Uptown Treasures store. None of the canvas art will move at our booth. It's just not in demand in our area. We've had some pretty cool pieces, I thought. Some round canvases that were really cool. They had a lot of cells and stuff. Those have been there for a long time and haven't sold, and they're cheap. We priced them at $35 a piece, just to see if we can move some of this stuff, but we can't. So no canvas art for a while, probably, until we can figure out how to move it. I'm not sure on packaging. Like, if we started an Etsy, I have no idea how to package and sell giant pieces of canvas art. So we could do it. I'd have to learn how to do that, but we might try to sell it on Facebook Marketplace first. See if we can get rid of it for really cheap there. I just want to clear all this stuff out. I don't want to keep storing a ton of canvas, and we got a lot of it. So we're gonna adjust a little bit. We're gonna stick with, we'll do vase pours probably, less canvas art, try to do more DIY stuff and more furniture restorations. And I've been enjoying these LED light things, so I might try to come up with some more LED light videos too. I guess it isn't that big of a deal because we haven't done any canvas art in a long time. No one really watches those videos anyways, so they just entertain us every once in a while. We really got to start getting rid of this stuff. So I tried working on this chair a couple days ago. All the joints are loose, so it's real wobbly. Right here and here. So I tried to use these wood glue syringes, but I couldn't get any glue into my syringe, so I went and bought a new glue. I'm hoping that works. Just take your syringe, stick it in the glue, and suck some up, right? But it won't come in. It won't go in. What if I just do this? Way messier, but it worked. I know this probably isn't the proper way to do this. I'm just going to wood glue in these and clamp it. I think a professional would take it apart and glue in the little dowels, but I am not a professional, and I'm not going to take it apart. Alright, first round of glue done. While that glue is drying on that chair, I think I'm going to start this. Take the drawers out, take the handles off, maybe start sanding a bit. So after about an hour of work, I got the top of this sanded. That was it. Whew. A lot of work. I think for the rest of it we're going to try stripping it first. That might save us some time. I'm not going to do all that work over this entire thing. But the wood looks nice. Touch up the front here with some sandpaper. And pick a color to stain this. I like the light color, but it's splotchy. You see it's sort of dark here, a little bit lighter here, lighter over here, a little darker here. I could spend more time with the sander, but I believe this is a veneer. I don't want to burn through it anywhere. So we will probably stain it to try and even it out. Alright, that's it for this vlog. Made a lot of progress, got some work done on some projects. Starting some furniture stuff. I'm going to have to do a vase pour shortly, probably tomorrow. But that'll be in the next vlog. And some end tables need finished. I'm going to see about finishing those end tables with the paint on them. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.